Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to send queued emails in Gmail. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, let's understand what a queued email means. Sometimes, when you send an email, it doesn't go out immediately. This can happen due to a weak internet connection or temporary issues with Google's servers. Instead of sending right away, Gmail places the message in a queue, waiting for a better connection to deliver it successfully. Now, to manage these queued emails, open your preferred web browser and log into your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, next, look to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find a vertical menu. From this list, click on Sent. This section shows all your sent emails, but it may also contain those that are still queued, the ones that haven't yet reached their recipients. Gmail usually labels these clearly, making it easy to identify unsent messages. Once you've located a queued email, click to open it. Inside, you'll often see an option or prompt to resend the email. Click Resend, and Gmail will attempt to deliver the message again. Before doing so, however, make sure your internet connection is stable and strong. If poor connectivity was the reason the email got stuck, fixing that issue first will ensure smoother delivery this time. And that's it. So that is how you can send queued Gmail emails. So that's all for this video. Thanks.